Have you ever looked up while sitting in a commercial office or a hospital and actually thought about the ceiling? It's easy to dismiss that grid of white squares as a lid hiding pipes and wires, but a commercial ceiling is actually a highly engineered system. Those panels are specifically designed to perform a demanding set of physical tasks. They control room acoustics, maximize light reflectivity to reduce energy costs, and are rigorously tested to slow the spread of fire. If you dive into the structure of an acoustic tile, you'll find a matrix of millions of microscopic pores. When ambient noise hits the ceiling, sound waves enter these open pockets, lose energy, and dissipate, keeping the room quiet. Because the ceiling acts as a functional machine, its components degrade over time. This continuous interaction with the environment means the system requires active maintenance to keep its safety and acoustic properties intact. The very engineering that makes these tiles work also creates their biggest vulnerability. The open porosity that absorbs sound waves also makes the entire ceiling act like a giant room-wide sponge. Day after day, these panels soak up airborne pollutants. They trap decades of environmental contaminants, pulling in everything from dust and water stains to nicotine and industrial grime. This accumulation creates a breeding ground for biological threats. Microorganisms like mold, yeast, and bacteria embed themselves deep within the porous material, circulating throughout the HVAC system and directly contributing to sick building syndrome. When a ceiling starts looking discolored and unsightly, building managers often attempt a quick fix. They hire a crew to roll a coat of standard paint over the stains. Applying standard paint creates a trap. The paint physically seals the pores shut. Sound waves can no longer enter the matrix and instead bounce harshly off the newly hardened surface, destroying the room's acoustics and nullifying the manufacturer's fire safety ratings. Once a ceiling is suffocated by paint or saturated with heavy grime, the default industry response is to tear it all down. This requires buying new grid systems and tiles, spending massive amounts of capital, and sending thousands of tons of construction debris straight into a landfill. Building owners are left staring at a punishing dilemma. They either ruin their building's engineering with a bucket of paint, or they destroy their annual budget with a highly disruptive full-scale replacement. There is a scientific alternative to this cycle of destruction. A specialized franchise network called Coustic Glo developed a refurbish, don't replace philosophy that approaches ceiling maintenance as a specialized chemistry problem. The intervention starts with deep environmental sanitization. And instead of covering up dirt, technicians apply a precisely formulated blend of surfactants, which lower the surface tension of liquids to lift stubborn grime, and powerful chemical oxidizers. Using proprietary solutions like C Cleaner for heavy grease and B+ for standard soils, this chemical process penetrates the tiles. The formulas actively kill embedded microorganisms, neutralizing mold and breaking down deep-seated odors at the source. You can see the dramatic shift on a single tile. The chemical restoration strips away years of contamination, returning the panel to its original appearance. For hospitals and schools where air quality is non-negotiable, this chemical extraction of pathogens functions as a vital health intervention. Once the surface is sanitized, the technicians move to the resurfacing phase, applying a patented system known as Coustic Coat directly to the ceiling on site. Coustic Coat is a highly specialized, water-based, and low VOC formula, meaning it releases very few volatile organic compounds into the air. It acts as an active fire retardant coating, designed specifically to restore the strict UL-listed safety ratings required by commercial fire codes. Unlike standard paint sitting as a thick sheet on the surface, this microcoating wraps around individual acoustic fibers, leaving pores unblocked. Ambient noise penetrates the open matrix, and sound waves successfully enter the coated pockets and dissipate, completely retaining the tile's sound absorption values. By utilizing specialized chemistry instead of a crude coat of paint, facility managers restore visual beauty and safety compliance without sacrificing the engineered function of the material. This microscopic chemical precision scales up to solve massive logistical problems for commercial facility managers. Looking at the center, the process requires zero business downtime. Restoration is performed during off hours, and the sinks is ready for use within an hour. Reviewing financial data on the left, Coustic Glo's process costs up to 80% less than full ceiling replacement. A project that would typically drain thousands of dollars from a capital expenditure budget is downgraded to a highly efficient maintenance task that protects the building's bottom line. Economically, it makes sense. Environmentally, the impact is even larger. Choosing to restore an existing ceiling actively diverts thousands of tons of acoustic tiles and metal grid debris from piling up in local landfills. This diversion of waste is so significant that the restoration process is eligible for LEED credits, making it a highly valuable tool for modern green building initiatives aiming to lower carbon footprints. By prioritizing chemistry over structural waste, these restorative methods render the traditional practice of demolition unnecessary, shifting the focus of commercial infrastructure from replacement to preservation.